Hello, it's Kelsey Swear, your CW Lake Charles host. Tonight, I have fresh episodes of Arrow and Supernatural starting at 7. Up first on Arrow, Oliver is forced to ask Ray for help. The reason? Oh, just a metahuman who kills people with blasts of energy and plasma. Then on Supernatural, Charlie calls Sam and Dean to tell them she found the Book of the Dead, which could help remove the mark of Cain. I'm convinced it's a night you don't want to miss. Today, I'll leave you with a peek at our newest series premiering on Friday. I'm Kelsey, and this is The Messengers. Bye, guys.